In the misty mountains of ancient Japan, there lived two legendary samurai. Ryu, the warrior in white, was known for his blinding speed and surgical precision. He moved like the wind, graceful, swift, and seemingly unstoppable. Then there was Cage, the samurai in black, a figure of mystery and immense power. He could appear and vanish like smoke. And some whispered he could move between the very shadows. For years, the people debated who was truly the stronger of the two. One crisp autumn morning, their destinies finally converged. The two warriors faced each other in an empty field. Ryu broke the silence. "They say you can vanish into darkness." Cage's voice was low and steady. "They say you strike faster than lightning."
Today, we will see if the legends are true. Winner takes all!
A clash of steel, lightning and smoke. When the dust finally settled, both samurai stood frozen, their swords locked together. Purple energy crackled between the blades and then faded. After 3 long heartbeats, Cage took a single step back and lowered his sword. You are faster than lightning, he said, his voice quiet. Ryu also lowered his blade.
And you are deeper than shadow.
And you are deeper than shadow, he replied. They lowered their sword tips to the ground as gesture of respect. An old monk had been watching from the steps of a nearby temple. As a child, monk asked softly, "Master, who won?" The monk simply smiled.
A true warrior does not seek to defeat others. He seeks to defeat his own limits. They both won today.
Yes, master.
Watch 'em. Ryu and Cage bowed deeply to each other, not as enemies, but as equals. The child monk asked his master, why did they stop fighting? Because they realized the truth. The lightning strike is powerful, but it only lasts for a moment, replied the monk. The shadow is mysterious, but it cannot exist without light. Strength without wisdom is reckless. Wisdom without strength is powerless. The greatest warriors understand they need both. From that day forward, Ryu and Cage trained together. Ryu learned to move through shadows, and Cage learned to strike with the speed of lightning. Each became stronger, not by defeating the other, but by learning from the other. And the village no longer spoke of them as rivals, but as brothers. True strength is not found in victory over others, but in harmony with them.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe for more tales of wisdom and strength. Thanks for watching.